Okay, well, I have all the stitching part completed for my tablecloth that I'm working on. So I have all the Kloster Blocks, I have the ship motifs, I have the cable stitching, and I have the blanket stitch. So all my stitching for the tablecloth is finished. So now what I need to do is the next step is going to be cutting and pulling out my threads. So I will come back and then I'll show you what it looks like once I do that. But this is how it looks so far. I'm trying to put it up to the camera and hold it. But this is what I have. And this is just a quarter of it. I just folded the tablecloth into a quarter. And so this is what I have. I'm not sure how well it's coming up on the camera. But this is what I have done so far. And so yeah. And I'll come back later, like I said, once I do all the cutting and let you see what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like with the cut and the threads pull. I have it on a dark pillow so that you can see it a little bit better than me trying to hold it up. Well, this is what the corners look like. So this is a corner. So this is what the corner will look like. And in the center, it'll look like this in the center. So this is what the tablecloth will look like. So what I need to do now is through all these cutouts, I need to go in there and do my weaving and do my dove's eye, and then I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. But this is what it's looking like so far. I know it's a little awkward on a pillow, but that's what it is. Okay, I've completed the weaving and the dove's eye, and let me just lift this up like that so you can see a little bit better on the tablecloth. So I've got that all finished, and this is what it looks like. I'll bring it up a little bit closer to the camera. And so yeah, so this is one of the corners, and in the center it has this piece here. So that's what it looks like in the center. So that's what that is going to look like. So the last thing I need to do now is just cut the fabric around, away from the buttonhole stitch and give it a good pressing, and then I'll show you what it looks like completed. Okay, I've cut it from the fabric around the buttonhole stitch, and this is what it looks like on the corner part here. So that's what I've got here. And like I said, this is one of the corners, and this part is the center. So that's what this looks like. So that's what we've got here. So my tablecloth is finished, and I'm going to go give it a good press, and I'm going to put it on the table, and I will take a picture of that, and that's what's going to be my thumbnail on my video. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.